Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that might just change your home game. Mosquitoes are not just irritating, they can also bring along some serious health risks. But fear not, we've got some fantastic plants that can serve as your natural shield against these unwelcome intruders. If you want to stay up to date with the latest content, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on any valuable information. Plus, it's completely free. Don't hesitate. Subscribe now and let the learning begin. First on our list is Citronella. This plant is known for its strong aroma that masks mosquito attractants. Citronella contains compounds such as citronellal and geraniol, which emit a strong aroma that overwhelms mosquitoes' olfactory senses. These compounds disrupt the mosquito's ability to locate its prey by masking the carbon dioxide and lactic acid emitted by humans. This makes it difficult for mosquitoes to detect and locate individuals. Planting citronella around your home can work wonders at keeping bugs away. Lavender not only smells divine, but its fragrance repels mosquitoes effectively. This plant contains essential oils like linalool and linalool acetate, which are known for their soothing scent. The scent is pleasant to humans but repels mosquitoes due to its strong fragrance. Placing pots of lavender in your garden or near entry points can make a noticeable difference in reducing mosquito presence while adding a touch of beauty to your surroundings. Basil, the herb we often use in cooking, is also a natural mosquito repellent. Its strong scent is something mosquitoes steer clear of, so having a few basil plants can be a game changer. Basil contains compounds like estragol and eugenol, which contribute to its strong aroma. This aroma acts as a deterrent for mosquitoes, making it difficult for them to sense human odors and thereby discouraging them from landing or biting. Marigolds not only brighten up your garden, but they also help keep those buzzing insects away. Marigolds contain pyrethrum, a natural insecticide found in their flowers. Pyrethrum is commonly used in insect repellents and pesticides. The scent of marigolds contains pyrethrum, which repels mosquitoes. Additionally, some studies suggest that planting marigolds in gardens can deter other pests, providing a protective barrier for other plants. It's important to note that these plants might not offer complete protection in heavily infested areas or during peak mosquito season. They work best when planted in larger quantities and combined with other preventive measures like removing standing water where mosquitoes breed. Incorporating these plants into your home not only adds greenery, but also aids in creating a more mosquito-free environment without resorting to chemical-laden solutions. By now, you have learned about the chemical compositions of each plant, how they work, and their effectiveness. We hope you find these plant suggestions useful for repelling mosquitoes and creating a beautiful garden. Say goodbye to mosquito bites and hello to a natural, beautiful, and more comfortable home environment with these fantastic plant recommendations.